Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:15, June 10th, 2020. We're looking at a Tesla chart, biggest chart of its life. We're looking at the break of the 1,000 level today. And I did do some game tape of it, and it was frustrating. Let's get into it and see what happens. Okay, so the SPY just kind of meandered down all day, kind of gravitated a little bit. It set up some trades this morning, and then the FOMC. So there's this waiting period, and the FOMC crap came out and kind of disrupted the market. Couldn't really make any trades. Crazy trade of the day was this JFIN. You can see here price action from like $4 all the way up to 30 almost. Well, actually 30 to the T. And then at the end of the day, it closed out about 6. So people either made a ton of money or lost a ton of money. And you can see the chart here on the daily. Eventually, this is going to have to stop. I don't know what's going to stop it. And I don't know if it's going to take legal action or what. But people are trading. I mean, there's 37 million shares traded. There's thousands of people trading this thing. So it's like who's moving this stock? It could be anything, So it's just a low float stock that can move. You can see here it got halted a few times. I think it got halted here. I think it got halted here. So very dangerous stock today. I didn't trade it at all, but I did trade a couple. I traded Apple. I missed Apple holding on. I took a nice little gain here, but then I missed holding it for this bigger move here. Give me a second here. Okay, so I had to go through a couple things that I want to confirm that I traded. So Beyond Meat, good old fake meat. I wanted to take this trade right out of the gate, 156 break, and it would have worked out really well. I did take this move here, the 160, after this pullback down here. That was a beautiful setup. I mean, I should have gone in bigger. I'm only went in with like 200 shares. I was ready to do 400 on that one. That would have been nice. And I got out a little early. But that happens. This GNUS was in play here on this move, the break here. I got 5 cents out of it, but it went 20 cents. But I went for 1,000 shares on that. Zoom, had some nice setups. I saw some shenanigans on it at this 218 level here, and I took a tiny loss on that, but got in here again and took a nice gain over 218 here. Took a nice gain at some 219.61. It did get up to 221, so I left some on the table there because it's closed. It's now closed at 220.84. Solid trade, but I was in for 200 on this one, and then I was like, or this one, and I'm like, So I went down to 100 shares, but a 200 share trade would have been nice. I mean, like $70 on this trade, and lost like $20 on this trade, so it was like a $50 gain. Apple, I made a little bit of money, but even though I'm up today, it was Tesla that killed me. I took this trade here, the break of the opening price on this candle here. Got a nice little gain, but it was the hit of the 1,000 right here. My chart, everything, the pipes, everything was just stuck. The price action in here was showing 999 first, and the ask was like 1,000 all the way down to here. Meanwhile, my chart was showing $1,004, $1,005. This chart showed something different. The prints over here showed something different. My P&L that opens up when I have an open trade up here at one point showed $200 gain in about 5 seconds. And I didn't know what to do, and I was trying to get out, and I just hit the close button, and I ended up closing it for a small loss. Actually, I traded Tesla a few times, and I took a couple losses on it. So I ended up losing like $100 on Tesla, which was easy. I mean, this trade was good. It just flashed right back down in seconds. I could have taken the second time through 1,000 on this one, and done the same thing, and then again and again. So 1,000 became like a support level before it made its next move up. I wanted the 1019 here break, but I wasn't in front of my PC at the time. And I mean, overall, decent day. It was a $107 gain, but I was down a little bit earlier on, and it wasn't like I was fighting back. I felt comfortable with the trading, and you know, there's just nothing really set up in the afternoon for some good trades, except for that Zoom trade I showed you. But I ended up going a little bit smaller than I wanted to. I was hoping for at least another $300 day. I mean, it's not about the money, but I was hoping for that because I thought I'd get one or two more trades in the afternoon to put me there, and I think that Zoom trade would have got me there if it had worked the first time. But the market is tricky, and it makes day trading hard. But overall, good day, good Wednesday, and I'll be back tomorrow. You guys have a great one. I probably won't do a post today. I have to go do something and on the website. So enjoy your evening. Stay cool because it's now hot, and see you tomorrow.